Agunwamu, Unwakibe ya, address in the valley, over the Wamiti on time.
Daddy, good afternoon.
Welcome.
No work out for Nebu one keta. Sit down. You sent for me, Mpa?
Yes. Today, you know the thing. I'm invincible now. You didn't
Okay, you did not call me for meeting. You put on meeting. Papa called for a meeting. I'm not here to exchange pleasantries with you because let's know why we are here. Papa, you sent for me.
Chidera, you are a big name in this community now. Ana Madama. Sitano Lopowanama. Charity begins from home. Chidera, look at your father's house.
Oh, Jesus.
Just see your father's house. Is this house okay? Chidera, at least if you cannot demolish it and build a new befitting house for your father. Renovate it.
Papa, who owns this house?
I am the one now.
I know it's your house. What I'm saying is that Achoga and Hoge, in case of tomorrow you are no more, who will inherit this house?
By tradition, the first son will inherit the house. Your eldest brother here is the one that should inherit the house in case they look for me tomorrow and I'm not there.
So why is the Diokpara not doing anything about the house? Ha! The last time I entered this house, why is the first son not doing anything about his inheritance? Why is he silent about it? Can you just
Chidera, you shouldn't be saying this now.
Okay, don't tell me that. That statement of that statement of a poor man. What didn't they do for you? What didn't Papa here do for you? Answer me. What did he do for you? He started at early age, started training you. He sent you out there so that you can go and make money and help your siblings. What did you do? He sent you to school. The only thing I heard that you got admission, women matriculation, I did not know.
Oh, Jesus.
The next thing I heard, you have graduated. When you did your graduation, I did not know. Nothing. Next thing, they sent you to go and learn handwork. Next thing, they sent you abroad. You went there for how many years? Nothing to show for it. You only came back here with gallery full of memory. That's the only thing you showed us. Did you bring anything back home? Nothing. As if that wasn't enough. You went and sold the only piece of land and use it and buy this cable. Jesus! Since this is spoiled here, have you been able to fix it?
My God.
Papa, if you are tired of staying in this house, I will